Finding the courage to change. What is emotional recovery? There's an old joke in the beverage program. How do you know when a codependent has a slip? Answer, they have a moment of compassion. Most codependent people don't find this little joke very funny. Trying to keep our loved ones in line has been a full-time job. It's serious business because that person's choices are affecting me. Can't they see that? So for a long time, I thought hard about my recovery. What would that look like? How would it feel to be emotionally sober? How would I know for sure when I had a codependent slip? I've realized that recovery is a process. I have habits of thoughts, attitudes, and beliefs that are like weeds. I have to be alert and vigilant in weeding my mental garden to make it beautiful and productive. I'm recovering a relationship with myself. Some of my early life experiences really threw me for a loop. Because of them, I came to mistaken ideas about people in general. But my biggest mistake was that I stopped trusting myself. I stopped believing in my own lying eyes. I began to distrust my judgment. Finally, I'm also recovering a relationship with my higher power. When I'm connected to source energy, it feels great. I receive guidance and inspiration every day. Well-being flows to me and through me. My emotional recovery looks and feels like connection and joy.